Do you ever feel like manifesting your dreams is taking forever? What if there was a simple yet incredibly powerful hack that could turbocharge your manifestations? This law of attraction technique is a total game changer, and today I'm going to walk you through exactly how it works. This isn't just about thinking positively or hoping for the best. It's about creating the right energy and expectations to attract what you want faster than you ever thought possible. Whether you've struggled to see results in the past or you're just getting started, this method works because it's grounded in a combination of science, mindset, and energetic alignment. If you've been searching for a way to finally manifest your goals without the frustration or endless waiting, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear, actionable technique that you can use immediately to align with your desires and start seeing results. Let's begin by understanding why most people get stuck when manifesting and how you can overcome those blocks with this ultimate hack. Stay tuned, because what I'm about to share could completely change the way you manifest. Have you ever followed all the steps for manifesting, visualizing, affirming, and setting intentions, only to feel like nothing is happening? It's frustrating, isn't it? You put in the effort, focus your energy, and still, the results seem out of reach. The truth is, this experience is far more common than you think, and it boils down to one key issue: resistance. Resistance is that subtle but powerful force that blocks your manifestations. It often stems from limiting beliefs, subconscious fears, or doubts about whether you truly deserve what you're asking for. Even if you consciously desire something, your subconscious mind might be sending out a completely different signal, creating an energetic misalignment. Here's an example. Let's say you want to manifest financial abundance. You set a goal, visualize yourself living that wealthy lifestyle, and even repeat affirmations like "I am financially free." But deep down, there's a voice telling you money's hard to come by, or "I'm not good with finances." That internal conflict creates a barrier, slowing or even halting your manifestation. Another common mistake is focusing too much on the when and how of your desires. This need to control the process adds unnecessary pressure, which can push your manifestation further away. Think about it. Have you ever been so anxious about something happening that it feels like it slips further out of reach the harder you try? That's resistance in action. Manifesting is not just about following steps. It's about aligning your energy with the outcome you desire. Many people unknowingly focus on the lack of their desire rather than the fulfillment of it. For example, if you're trying to manifest a loving relationship but constantly feel lonely, your energy is more aligned with lack than love. The universe responds to your energy, not just your words. This is where the ultimate manifesting hack comes in. It's designed to bypass resistance, dissolve limiting beliefs, and align your subconscious with your conscious desires. Instead of pushing against the blocks, this technique helps you work with your energy in a way that feels natural and effortless. Now that we've uncovered why traditional manifesting methods can fall short, let's dive into the hack that will transform the way you manifest, quickly and effectively. Now let's get into the ultimate manifesting hack, the one that will supercharge your ability to attract what you desire. This method focuses on shifting your energy and expectations to align fully with your desired outcome. Why does this work so effectively? Because, as I mentioned earlier, what you expect is what you attract. Think of expectations as the foundation of your reality. Every day, you unconsciously expect certain things to happen: your alarm to go off, your coffee to be warm, or traffic on your commute. These expectations shape the flow of your day. When you align your expectations with your desires, you create the energetic conditions for them to manifest quickly. This hack revolves around one powerful statement: I am certain. Here's how it works. Step 1. Get clear on your intention. First, decide what you want to manifest. Be specific. Vague goals like "I want to be happy" or "I want to be successful" are harder to align with because they lack clarity. Instead, frame your intention in a way that feels concrete. For example, I want to attract an extra $5,000 this month. I want to manifest my dream home by the beach. I want to feel confident and joyful every day. Once you're clear, write this intention down. Writing activates a deeper connection with your subconscious mind, making your desire feel more real and tangible. Step 2. Write I am certain statements. Take out a pen and paper. Yes, paper. Don't type this out on your phone or computer. Writing by hand engages your brain in a way that typing doesn't. At the top of the page, write the words I am certain. Then follow it with your intention. State it in the present tense as if it's already yours. For example, I am certain I have $5,000 in my bank account. I am certain my dream home is mine. I am certain I feel confident and joyful every day. The key here is to declare certainty, not hope or wish. Certainty is a powerful energetic state that signals to the universe. This is already done. Step 3. Embody the feeling of certainty. After writing your statement, take a moment to sit with it. Close your eyes and imagine what it feels like to already have what you're manifesting. Feel the joy, the excitement, the relief. What does that version of you who already has it look like? How do they feel? This step is crucial. Manifesting isn't just about thinking, it's about feeling. When you feel certain, you align your energy with the vibration of your desire, which accelerates the manifestation process. Step 4. Practice daily. Repeat this process daily. Each time you write and embody your I am certain statements, you reinforce the belief that your desire is already yours. Over time, this repetition helps reprogram your subconscious mind, dissolving any resistance or doubt that might be holding you back. Why this hack works? This hack works because it leverages the science of neuroplasticity and the energetic principles of the law of attraction. Here's the breakdown. Neuroplasticity. When you repeatedly affirm and feel certain about your desires, you create new neural pathways in your brain. These pathways strengthen the belief that your desire is attainable, making it easier for you to take inspired action and align with opportunities. Energetic alignment. By embodying certainty, you match the vibrational frequency of your desire. The law of attraction states that like attracts like. When your energy aligns with your goal, it naturally flows into your reality, eliminating resistance. Certainty removes the need to control the how or when. It shifts your focus from lack to abundance, creating a state of flow that accelerates manifestation. Real life example. Let me share an example of how this works in action. A friend of mine was struggling to manifest a career breakthrough. She felt stuck and unsure of her next steps. I introduced her to this hack and suggested she write, I am certain my dream job is already mine. She did this every morning, visualizing herself in her ideal role. Within weeks, she received an unexpected call from a former colleague who offered her a position that matched her dream job description perfectly. She hadn't even applied for it. That's the power of aligning with certainty. Now that you know the power of this manifesting hack, let's explore how to integrate it into your daily life. Consistency is key here. Making this a regular practice will amplify your results and help you manifest faster than ever before. First, create a manifestation ritual. To build momentum, set aside time each day for this practice. Morning and evening are ideal, as these are moments when your mind is naturally in a more relaxed and receptive state. Here's what a simple ritual could look like. Find a quiet space where you won't be interrupted. Take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Write down your I am certain statements in a dedicated notebook or journal. Spend a few minutes embodying the feeling of certainty. This doesn't have to take long. Even 5 to 10 minutes a day can make a significant difference. The key is to make it a habit, just like brushing your teeth or having your morning coffee. Next, anchor the feeling of certainty. Throughout the day, anchor yourself in the feeling of certainty whenever doubts or fears arise. For example, if you catch yourself worrying about money, remind yourself, I am certain that I have more than enough. If you feel anxious about a relationship, say, I am certain that love flows effortlessly into my life. Pair these affirmations with a physical gesture, like placing your hand over your heart or taking a deep breath. Over time, this will train your brain to associate that gesture with feelings of certainty, making it easier to shift your energy on the spot. Also, visualize during idle moments. Take advantage of idle moments during your day to reinforce your manifestation. Whether you're commuting, waiting in line, or doing chores, use these moments to visualize your desired outcome as if it's already here. Picture the details vividly. What does it look like? How does it feel? Who are you with, and what are you doing? The more you immerse yourself in the experience, the stronger your alignment with your desire becomes. Even just a few minutes of visualization can help keep your energy focused and aligned. Turn challenges into opportunities. Challenges and setbacks can sometimes shake your belief in your manifestations, but they don't have to. When things don't go as planned, use this hack to shift your perspective. Ask yourself, how can I stay certain even when I can't see results yet? What lesson or opportunity is this situation offering me? Reaffirm your I am certain statements and trust that the universe is rearranging circumstances in your favor, even if you can't see the full picture yet. Certainty doesn't mean ignoring reality. It means choosing to stay aligned with your desired outcome, despite external circumstances. Celebrate small wins. Manifesting isn't just about the big milestones. It's also about noticing and celebrating the small wins along the way. Did you get an unexpected compliment, a surprise discount, or a sign that your manifestation is on its way? Acknowledge it. Each time you notice a manifestation, no matter how small, it reinforces your belief that the process is working. Gratitude and acknowledgement create a feedback loop that accelerates your manifestations even further. Surround yourself with positive energy. Your environment plays a significant role in your manifesting success. Surround yourself with people, content, and experiences that uplift and inspire you. This could mean following social media accounts that share positive, empowering messages, spending time with people who believe in you and your dreams, creating a vision board or playlist that aligns with your goals. When your environment supports your energy, it becomes easier to stay in a state of certainty and alignment. The power of daily integration. When you make this hack a part of your daily life, it becomes second nature. Over time, you'll notice that you're manifesting more effortlessly and with less resistance. The act of writing, feeling, and embodying certainty rewires your brain and shifts your energetic frequency, creating a ripple effect that brings your desires into reality faster than ever before. Now that you know how to use this hack daily, let's recap everything we've covered and talk about what's next. Let's take a moment to recap the powerful steps we've covered in this video. You've learned why traditional manifestation methods often fall short, mainly due to resistance and misaligned energy, and how this ultimate hack, based on the principle of certainty, can bypass those blocks entirely. The process is simple but transformative. Write your I am certain statements in present tense, affirming your desires as if they are already yours. Embody the feeling of certainty, aligning your energy with the vibration of what you want to manifest. Integrate this practice into your daily life through rituals, visualization, and anchoring techniques, reinforcing your alignment every single day. This method isn't about forcing or controlling the process. It's about aligning, trusting, and allowing. When you practice certainty, you let go of resistance and step into a state of flow where your manifestations unfold naturally and quickly. Your next step. Now it's time to put this hack into action. Grab a notebook, write down your I am certain statements, and dedicate just a few minutes each day to embodying the energy of certainty. Remember, manifesting is a skill. It gets stronger with practice. The more you commit to this process, the faster and more effortlessly your desires will come to life. I'd love to hear from you. What are you going to use this hack to manifest? Share your intentions in the comments below, and let's celebrate this journey together. If you've had any breakthroughs or manifestations after trying this technique, let us know. It could inspire someone else to keep going. Stay connected. If you found this video valuable, give it a thumbs up. It helps this message reach more people who could benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips, hacks, and insights to master the art of manifestation. Thank you so much for spending your time here today. Your energy and focus are the keys to creating the life you've always dreamed of. Keep believing, stay certain, and trust the process. I can't wait to hear about your successes and see you in the next video. Until then, happy manifesting.